Hey folks, Derek Pierce here and welcome aboard. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the Page One plugin 2.0 installed in the fastest time frame possible and start getting it to work for you so you can drive free traffic to your sites. Now, if you're not familiar with WordPress, if you've never installed WordPress or anything like that, don't worry. I've got a link somewhere on this page that will show you how to install WordPress. So if you're not familiar with that, then just follow the instructions from there. If you're familiar with WordPress, then all you'll have to do is just log into your dashboard, and I've already logged in, and I'm just going to go to the dashboard here. And then all you have to do is go down to the plugins tab that you see here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click Add New, and then we are going to upload the plugin. So this is what you've downloaded from the members area. So be sure you have the download, and also be sure you have your registration code handy. It will ask you for that here in just a second. So then all you have to do is click Activate Plugin, and we are done with the upload, install, and activation of the plugin. So now we go to the Page One plugin tab, and then this is where you're going to be asked to enter your registration code. So just be sure to have that handy so you can enter it here. So we've got the plugin installed. Now all we have to do is follow our little quick start guide that you see here. And you can open this up and watch the video tutorials at any time. This will open up a new tab, and it will show you, walk you through step by step of the way of how to set the plugin up. Now, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to install, activate, and optimize the plugins that the Page One plugin 2.0 pulls. And all you have to do that, and you can see if you're not finished yet with the task, you can see it'll highlight it in red where it says not finished yet. Once we get done with this, it will say finished. So all we have to do is just click here, and you may, if you're already using WordPress, you may already have some of these plugins installed. If you do, then that's fine too. If that's the case, there will be a little tab right here where it'll say installed and then non-installed. What you'll want to do is go to the one that says not installed. Be sure you're checked on that. Then click the buttons, and if there's something that you're wanting to leave out, or if it's something that you've already got installed, like, that's fine too. So all you have to do is just click install, and then we click apply, and then this is going to take it just a second to install these plugins. And there's instructions right above here also too to just walk you through each of the steps. So now we've got these all these plugins installed. So now all we have to do is just click this button again, and then we're going to click activate, and this is going to activate all these plugins. So now we've got them installed and we've got them activated, and now all we have to do next is click this button, and then we're going to click optimize, and this is going to optimize the plugin. So then I'm going to click apply, and this optimizes our plugins as well as our WordPress settings. So now we're done with the installation of the plugins, and you can see we have given a success message right here where it says optimized. And so when we complete, obviously you got to go back to the dashboard by clicking here, which takes us to step number 2, which is filling in the necessary info into our blog details page. So you'll see we just got this first step done, and it's marked as finished. And so now we're going to go to step number 2, and this right here is where we enter our blog title, our description, our tagline, and our keywords. So let me just show you this real quick. With your WordPress theme, it's going to have, this is the title, this is the tagline where you see right here where it says just another WordPress site. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to enter our title. This needs to be something related to the primary keyword that you're targeting. So we want to be sure that this is plugged in here with our keyword. Same thing on this one right here too, the blog description. I'm just going to type in something real quick. All right, then the tagline, I'm just going to type in something else, Page One plugin 2.0 rules. All right, and then we're going to enter our keywords, whatever our primary keywords are. Then what this is, this right here where this Google Plus profile, this is where you want to plug in your Google Plus profile. And what you want to do is enter the link below in here. And what this is going to allow you to do is to have Google authorship for your WordPress blog. So I'm going to go into that here in just a separate video, how to set that up. And that way you can be sure to, what it'll allow you to do is allow you to have a picture in the actual search results of Google. So when your site starts to appear, you'll actually get a little bit more real estate because your picture will actually be displayed with the search results. So also now the next feature is called the Silo Builder, and I'm going to go into that in an additional video as well to kind of show you more about that, because this is something that how you set your sites up will help you in terms of the way you want to rank for your keywords. Now, with this Silo Builder, what's going to happen is at the end of every post, it's going to have a featured set of posts, and so you can change this promotional text to where instead of it saying recommended resources, you could change it to say something like we recommend, or recommended readings, or something along those lines. If you don't want the silo structure builder, then you can disable it by simply clicking this button, but I would not advise you to do that. And I'm going to show you how to set all this up again in a separate video. The link retrieval report, this is something that you can plug in your email address, and then you can tell it how often you want the emails to be delivered. So if you want it every 1 day or 7 days or 30 days, what this will do is this will deliver all of your posts and all of your new pages that are posted. It will deliver the URLs to your email address in a CSV format. So this is extremely helpful, especially if you're going in and publishing posts in advance and you're using the scheduler that's built into WordPress, or if you're using some sort of auto blog or something like that. Then basically you plug in your email and this is going to send you all your URLs, so that way you can use it to bookmark, or if you've got some link building tools that you're using, then you can use those to build links to those new URLs. So once we're done here, once we get all this plugged in, we can click Save Changes. We can go back at any time to this particular page, and you can see right here where it says Settings Save, Return to the Page One Plugin Dashboard by clicking here. All you have to do is click there, and you can see we have finished that setup. So this is the first portion of setting up the Page One plugin. So I'm going to end this video now, and I'm going to show you how to set up the rest of the plugin here in just the next couple of videos. I'll talk to you then.